Welcome to CSZNet's video podcast series. I'm your host, Jimmy, and today we're exploring a cool strategy for trainers, supplementing training with AI video. Joining me is Alina. Great to have you with us, Alina.
Thanks, Jimmy. I'm excited to dive into this topic. Partnering can be a game changer for companies looking to create training content without the hassle.
Absolutely. So, let's kick things off. Why would someone consider working with CSZNet for AI-generated video creation?
One of the main reasons is expertise. We focus on video production and have advanced AI technologies at our disposal. This means we can produce high-quality content more efficiently than many trainers could on their own.
Those are great points, and I imagine that frees up trainers to focus on what they do best, teaching, rather than getting bogged down in video production.
Exactly. When trainers partner with us, they can dedicate more time to developing their curriculum, engaging with learners, and refining their teaching methods. It's all about maximizing their strengths.
So, what does the process look like for trainers who want to use CSZNet to create their video content?
Like with any project, we would work with the training team to define and clarify the requirements and determine how to best use AI videos. One of the things you may not think about, but is very important, is to collect branding collateral, like logos and colors.
Oh yes, that is important.
If the project is for a recurring or series of videos, we would create a reusable template. Next, we would figure out which avatars and voices to be used, so there's a relatable human face in the videos.
Why would you need a human face in the videos?
There have been many studies done, and according to one from Stanford University, online learners reported having a better and more effective learning experience when they saw the instructor's face. Presenting the instructor's face enhanced learning and motivation. Learners engage more and express a strong preference for instruction with a human face. In order to incorporate this human element, we provide a choice of diverse stock avatars, or depending on the use case, we can create personal avatars. Trainers and even corporate leaders are good candidates for personal avatars.
Why use avatars then, instead of just recording people?
Here are just a few reasons. Recording live is a hassle. Recording conditions may not be ideal. People make mistakes when recording and need to do multiple takes until they get it right. People's time is valuable. Content may need to be updated, and people may leave the company. Plus, not everyone likes to be on camera. With avatars and text-to-speak technology, videos can be created quickly and painlessly.
That sounds straightforward. Now that we understand selecting avatars in the process, what are the next steps?
The next step is the script. The script is an important component. The best graphics and effects can't make up for a bad script. We'll collaborate with the training team to develop it. Using our expertise and tools at our disposal, including stock images and videos, we'll create a draft video that we can share for feedback before finalizing. This collaborative approach ensures that the messages are accurate and leads to even more engaging content.
I love that collaborative element. You mentioned engaging content. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure. I already mentioned human faces, but we can also incorporate multiple avatars to simulate different dialogue situations, like news reporters, discussion between people, telephone calls, or even podcasts like this one.
That's fun! Speaking of scripts, what about multilingual support? Everything is so global nowadays. What if you need to reach a global audience?
I'm glad you asked about that. We have the capability to easily translate videos into over 140 languages. This is for both the script and text-based graphics. Or in Spanish. Me alegro de que hayas preguntado sobre eso. Tenemos la capacidad de traducir fácilmente videos a más de 140 idiomas. ¿Esto es tanto para el script como para los gráficos basados en texto?
Wow, that's amazing! It seems like using CSZNet for AI video creation can be a powerful strategy for trainers looking to elevate their training content while minimizing hassles. How would someone get started?
You can contact us. We'd be happy to discuss your training needs and what we can do for you.
Thank you for sharing your insights, Alina. And thank you everyone for tuning in to this episode of our AI Studio Services podcast series.